so fine. Through the bumps of time and you climb. And then yeah, people call, say me where down you're bound to fall. They thought that they were just kidding you. You used to laugh about everybody that was hanging out, and now you don't walk so proud. Now you don't talk so loud about having this scrounging your next beyond. How does it feel? How does it feel to be on your own with no direction? A complete unknown, just like a rolling stone. Come on. Yeah. We went to the finest schools, alright, Miss Lonely, but you know you only used to get juiced in it. Nobody taught you how to live out on the street, but now you're gonna have to get used to it. You see, you never compromise with a mystery trampling at you with your lies that he's not selling any alibis as you stare into the vacuum of his eyes and say, do you want to make up to your how does it feel? How does it feel to be on your own with no direction? A complete unknown, just like a rolling stone. All the pretty people drinking, thinking that they got it made, exchanging all kinds of precious gifts. If to take that diamond ring, you better buy it, babe. You used to be so amused, and a pony in the rags was the language that he used. Now go to him now, calls you can't refuse. When